If you are a tall rider and you are on the lookout for the best cruiser bike in India, this video is for you. First on our list is the Java 42 FJ. This bike has a seat height of 800 mm, which makes it a good fit for tall riders. With a retro look and a powerful engine, it's not just a comfortable ride but also a head turner on the road. The upright riding position combined with the smooth handling makes the Java 42 FJ a great option for those long rides. If you are around 6 feet tall or more, you will find the footpack placement just right, keeping you comfortable even on long trips. And the powerful engine offers plenty of punch, ensuring your rides are not only comfortable but exciting as well. Next up, the iconic Royal Enfield Classic 350. This bike has a seat height of 805 mm, make it one of the taller options on this list. The Classic 350 is known for its vintage styling and the unmistakable Royal Enfield thumb. The wide handlebars and slightly forward footpack make this bike a solid choice for tall riders. You get the cruiser feel without feeling cramped. With its 350cc engine, the Classic 350 delivers a smooth and relaxed riding experience, perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. Now we move something a bit more premium, the Harley Davidson X440. These bikes come with a seat height of 805 mm, which again is ideal for tall riders. The X440 offers a more aggressive stance compared to the others. It's a muscular bike, and with that 440cc engine, it packs serious power. If you are a tall rider looking for a cruiser with performance and attitude, this is definitely one to consider. Harley Davidson reputation for comfort and style is well earned, and the X440 lives up to it, giving you a smooth ride with plenty of torque to play with. Next, let's talk about the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. This cruiser has a seat height of 765 mm, which is slightly lower than the others on this list. But don't worry if you are tall, these bikes offer plenty of legroom and a laid-back, relaxed posture. The Meteor 350 is great for cruising around in comfort, while it's lower in seat height. The wide seat and upright riding position make it work well for tall riders even on long rides. It also comes with 349cc engine, perfect for those who enjoy steady, relaxed ride, but it's capable enough for highway cruising too. And finally, we have Honda CB350 with a seat height of 800 mm. Honda has designed this bike to be both comfortable and stylish, and tall riders will appreciate the ergonomics here. The footpack position combined with the upright riding stance makes this cruiser ideal for tall riders. You won't feel cramped, and the bike handles well on both city, street and open highway. Powered by a 348cc engine, the CB350 delivers a smooth and reliable rides. It's also equipped with modern features like Bluetooth connectivity, making it a great all-round package for riders of any height. So there you have it, 5 of the best cruiser bikes for tall riders in India. Which one you think fits your style?